This is the Punan Batu tribe from Kalimantan Island. Currently, only about 104 people with 36 family heads still hunt and gather in the tribe. They live nomadically and always settle not far from three areas, which are Batu River, middle of the jungle, and in the karst caves. These tribesmen always walk to the jungle or down the river to do hunting for food. There is no agricultural activity, and they cannot even store food. Besides hunting, they also explore the jungle in search of edible plants as source of carbohydrates. Sometimes they even consume the trunk of palm trees. For this tribe, this type of palm tree trunk has a delicacy, even though it makes time to concoct by burning it. In the Kalimantan jungle, many trees are poisonous, and yet they can utilize them for hunting. Such as in the sap of this tree, which can be used to hunt animals because it can damage muscle tissue. Usually, the sap is applied on the tip of weapons such as spears and blow darts.
Pindahnya alasannya kurang pas rasa sejunya dan pencarian makan kami mengurang sudah kalau sudah 1 bulan di sini. Susah sudah dicari pindah lagi. Dan jadi berikut ke depannya lagi mungkin makanan tadi kembali lagi dia sendiri tertanam, ubinya berisi kembali. Nah, bisa kita berapa bulan lagi tinggal di sini, gitu. Begitu juga cari ikannya. Nah, kalau hanya bertahun kita kan perasaan kita kurang pas sudah. Dari dulu ini turun temurun.
The Punan Batu tribe lives in several groups and dispersed in the jungle. Each group is usually filled of 2 to 6 households. This residential area in the middle of the jungle portrays the life of the jungle tribe. They build huts from tree trunks tied with rattan, and the roof is also made of leaves. The size of the hut built depends on the number of family members. Based on the genetic test results, researchers concluded that the Punan Batu tribe has a different and older genetic mixing history compared to other Indonesian people.
So we do genetic studies where we estimated the age of the DNA and the genetics background of the Punan Batu, and we can model that Punan Batu actually split older than the Austronesian agriculturalists. And then after that, the Austronesian agriculturalists gave their admixture and gene flow to the other populations in the surrounding areas, like the other Dayak populations, for example, but not to the Punan Batu. The agriculturalists, the Austronesian agriculturalists, it is dated to, like, for example, 4,000, 5,000 years old, whereby the Punan Batu is older than that. It's probably 7,000 to 8,000 years ago. So it's kind of unique, and it doesn't receive the gene flow from the Austronesian genetic background, which is different from the other populations in the area.
The living space of the Punan Batu tribe has been narrowed due to forest encroachment activities. Currently, only about 18,000 hectares of jungle remain in the Benau Sajau landscape. A non-profit organization, the Nature Conservancy, then assisted the Punan Batu tribe to defend their habitat.
Untuk perlindungan kawasan ini nanti mekanismenya yang tersedia di dalam hukum positif di Kementerian LHK adalah perhutanan sosial itu, yang opsinya ada hutan adat, hutan desa, kemitraan. Ini 3 opsi yang paling kuat itu adalah hutan adat. Ya, jadi ini legal. Jadi nanti karena begitu disepakati, maka akan ada SK Menteri LHK. Jadi ini mirip dengan dunia usaha yang dapat izin selama 35 tahun. dan dapat diperpanjang.
The effort to preserve this tribe become important as it proved that forests are still a source of life for some people on Kalimantan Island. This tribe is a proof that Indonesia can preserve its forests very well and can reduce the deforestation rate. Their way of life gives a message to keep preserving the jungle. C2J contributor reporting from Bulungan, North Kalimantan.